Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you use YouTube filters. Here you can go and type YouTube. Then let's go on official website youtube.com. For example, here I want to search for headline news. And here you can see I am getting these 11 hours ago, 9 hours and 1 day ago. If I go here, then here you can see 23 hours ago. So let me scroll up, and on the top right corner here you can see this one, filter button. Now I can select this one, last hour. Now here you can see I am getting this one 32 minutes ago. I can also select this one, today. So now it is showing 11 hours, 12 hours, so within last 24 hours. You can also select this one, week, month, year. You can also search for the channels. For example, let me type here Enable Website Design. Now here you can see these are all the videos. If I go here and select the channel, so now here I can see some YouTube channels. Also you can see duration, video time, under 4 minutes, 4 to 20 minutes, over 20 minutes. So these are the different useful filters that you can use, and you can improve your search experience on YouTube platform.